Hi, I'm Jared and this is Jesse. We're with Plymouth Parks and Recreation here at Parker's Lake Playfield today. This is one of our nearly 100 Playfield sites that requires maintenance on a daily basis. Some of those items that we could use your help with are infield maintenance, mound maintenance, and general site cleanup. The first area we're going to cover is infield maintenance. Hand rakes are available at each site to help level infield egg line and fill any holes that may be unsafe or hold water. When raking diamond infields, always rake in the direction of the baselines or away from the grass. Never rake egg line towards or into any grass areas. This will minimize unsafe lips or buildups of egg line in the grass. When performing maintenance on pitching mounds, never place egg line infield material onto the clay mounds. Each site should have a supply of bagged mound clay, which is available for use as needed. Clay should be raked away from the grass, filling any holes or kickouts, then tamped for compaction. Mound covers are supplied at each site and must be placed over the mound after each use. If mound covers are not in place, rain or regular irrigation could cause the mound to be unusable. When using grooming equipment on infields, always operate at a safe speed, which will also minimize damage to the field, bases, and fencing. Stay away from grass edges and finish with a hand rake. Never pull egg line dirt up to or into the grass. Doing so will cause unsafe lips and drainage problems. When using city facilities, please make sure all trash is cleaned up from fields, dugouts, and surrounding areas. The city provides and services many trash and recycling cans at each site, and we ask that these are used to keep the grounds clean. We ask that users leave the facilities in the same or better condition than when they arrived. Please do not use any fencing for warm-ups or batting practice. This is a safety issue and causes costly damage to the fence. Please do not drive vehicles on any trails within the parks. These trails are used for pedestrian traffic, which makes driving vehicles on them a safety hazard. Also, depending on site conditions, this can cause damage to the trails themselves, surrounding grass, and irrigation systems. If you require trail access, please contact Plymouth Parks and Recreation to request a permit. During normal weekday use, city staff sometimes makes the decision to close fields due to conditions. However, during weekend tournaments, it may be necessary for directors to make the call. While a total rainout can be an easy decision, Plymouth's soils can make for slow drainage and take a day or longer to achieve safe and playable conditions. If there is standing water in the play area or your feet leave impressions in the grass or infield, the field is too wet for play. Playing on a field that is too wet is not only unsafe, but can also cause enough damage for a field to be closed for an entire season. Here is an example of a field that needed to be closed after only one game when the field was too wet. Making the right call when conditions are poor can ensure that everyone will have a great season. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. We appreciate your partnership in maintaining these fields and hope you have a tremendous season.